Hey everybody, it's me, Jessie. Welcome back to my channel. I am the owner of Eden Street Soap Company. So if you're new here, take 1 second, hit that subscribe button, and I will do my best to give you quality content. To all of my current subscribers, oh my gosh, I see the channel growing every day and I can't do it without you guys. You're amazing. Thank you so much. I tell you every time, you guys comment and like and share, and I just love you all so much. So thank you very, very, very much. Let's get started. Alright, so hopefully you screenshot or wrote down the recipe for the foamy bath bombs. That is the recipe I use for bath bomb and Embed. I don't really change it up because, one, it's illegal and you could pay a hefty fine to Lush or other bath bomb companies that have the trademark. Or two, because you don't really need it. It's perfectly fine by itself. Anyway, so I hope you got that, and we've started with our process here. All right, so we have everything mixed up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bath bomb mixture and split it in half. So you can split it and then color each side, but I find it's easier to color everything orange, split it, and then do the other half red. I mean, it's all personal taste at this point. So once I split it, I put it in my silicone mold. You can kind of see how I'm doing it. I put my fingers there, or you can use a piece of cardboard as a barrier, and then I pack it in and push it over, and I just add colors as I go. It can be a little more messy. I actually use the silicone to do my tie-dyed bath bomb embeds, but I mean, maybe this is how you need to start with your rainbow, and that's fine. Rainbow was really, really hard for me, and it is actually one of my best sellers. So I tried everything to get this right. I mean, I think I wasted so much money doing test after test after test. And unfortunately, the only way that I can get those little embeds in a row for my bath bomb is by doing it through a Tupperware container, as you will see in this video. So I hope this works for you, or at least gives you some ideas. So what I do here is I take the orange and I pat it down really tight, and then I top it with the red and I pat that down and I leave it sit for 10 minutes. And then after about 10 minutes, I bring it back, pop it in another Tupperware container, and I cut it into little cubes. You can pick how big or small you want them, but if you go really small and it's not the right consistency, they'll actually crumble. So that's why mine are a little bit bigger on some of the colors. But anyway, so then I cut it into cubes and I just leave it to the side overnight. I cover it with a bag and I come back tomorrow, and it's usually perfect as long as it's not humid out. This recipe actually works for anywhere from 30% humidity up to 55%. So it's actually really, really good in rough humidity. So there you go. Now I'm just repeating the same process, making a batch with all yellow, splitting it up and doing half of it green. So whenever I cut these embeds, it is so soothing and so satisfying, but watching them being cut is just as satisfying, and I know I can't be the only one. So leave a thumbs up and let me know if you find this satisfying too. I think it looks so cool. All right, everyone, so this is it. I got 6 colors out of it: orange and red, yellow and green, blue and purple, and there's a little bit of gold glitter in there. So thank you so much for watching my video. You can stay for the demo of the cloud bath bomb, but it was broken and I didn't want to waste it. So I put it in and I figured I'd hold it together to do the rainbow demo, and then I messed it up even more. But you guys get to see all the beautiful colors it makes in the sink. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to see a real cloud bath bomb demo, I will put a link to that in the description and you can see the real video of it. Anyway, I hope you guys all have a great day. If you are new here, please subscribe. I really, 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 really appreciate you. And that's all. Have a great day. Anything you see here is usually available for purchase at EdenStreetSoap.com. That will be in the description as well. And take care. Bye.